Pinpoint weather. Parts of Portland saw hail along with rain today. Take a look at these pictures of that hail piling up on sidewalks and gardens and on roofs. Now, these were taken in southeast Portland this afternoon. We want to check in now with Chief Meteorologist Bruce Sussman, who's standing by in the Pinpoint Weather Center. Some crazy stuff out there today, Bruce.
Well, you're not kidding. And we've seen these waves of downpours come swinging through our skies. And we just had another one that rolled through over the last half an hour or so. Watch this. There's one downpour. There's a break. Here's the next line of downpours and another break right behind it. So they've been coming through in waves, and I don't think we're done with seeing these lines of downpours yet. Right now you can see where things are popping off the screen. It's the east side of town, specifically out here over Gresham and Troutdale and also Corbett. That's where we have the heaviest rain. The rest of us are catching a break right now, so things are starting to die down. If you're thinking of an evening run and you're on the east side, say out near Mount Tabor, go now and you can catch a break. Westsiders, you also can take a run or a walk right now and catch a break. Just know it won't last very long. Now,